Hello bachcho, once again welcome. So today I'm going to discuss with you about the perimeter and area of rectangle and square. Before start the topic, I'm going to first discuss with you about the rectangle and about the square. So what you mean by the rectangle? So definition is, your definition of the rectangle is any shape whose opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. So that type of the shape is known as a rectangle. Is that clear? So here these two opposite sides are equal and these two opposite sides are equal. So now I'm going to discuss with you about the perimeter and area of the rectangle only. So let's continue. Okay, perimeter of rectangle. Formula for the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2B. So how you got 2L plus 2B? See, this is your rectangle. L length, B breadth, length and breadth. So perimeter is equal to sum of all side. What is this? Sum of all side. Okay. Sum of all side, that means L plus B plus L plus B. That's mean L plus B plus L plus B. So that's mean L plus L 2L plus 2B. So that is equal to 2L plus B. Yes, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket में L plus B. If the question is find out the perimeter of rectangle if the length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. So students, जैसे ही पेरीमीटर का नेम आता है आप अपने माइंड पे सेट कर लो. पेरीमीटर मीन्स लेंथ मीन्स सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड, दैट्स मीन L plus B plus L plus B. So 2L plus 2B. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B. Okay, equal to 2. The value of L is 5 and the value of B is equal to 6. 2 bracket में 11, that is your 22 and yes, cm. So one more question is, if the length is 6 cm and breadth is 5 cm, how to find out the perimeter? So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 inside the bracket L plus B, that is 2. L is given 6 and B is given 5. 2, 11, that is your 22 cm. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the perimeter of square. Before explaining the perimeter of square, आपको ये जानना जरूरी है what you mean by the square. So from diagram is given here. If a shape whose all side, that is your A, B, C, D, AB, BC, CD and DE. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All the sides are equal and all the angle is equal and equal to 90 degree. So that type of the shape is known as a square. So we are talking about the perimeter. So perimeter of square sum of all side. So sum of all side, that is x, 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 x. That is 4 times x. So 4 into x. That means 4 into side. So from here we got perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So few questions are given. Find a perimeter of a square if side is 4 cm. So how to find out? Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. That's mean 4 into 4. That is your 60 cm. Clear? Our next question is, if the side is 12 cm, find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. That's mean 4 into 12. That is 12 4s are 48 cm. So by this way we are able to find out the perimeter of the square. Now we are going to talk about the area of rectangle. This is your L and this is your B. In case of area, if length and breadth is given, so and question is you have to find out the area. So formula for area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Now the few question is given. Find out the area of rectangle. So the formula is area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Okay. So whatever a length and breadth is given in cm is given. So you have to write centimeter ka square. If length and breadth is given in meter, so you have to write meter ka square in case of area. So next question is length is 7 cm and breadth is 5 cm. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. It is given in cm, so you have to write cm ka square. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the area of square. Similarly, as I already explained what you mean by the square. So we directly go through the formula. What is the formula for area of the square? So area of square is equal to side ka square. That means side into side. Question 1. Find the area of square. So area of square is equal to side ka square. That's mean side is given 4, 4 ka square, 4 4 just 16, and you are finding here the area, so you have to write cm ka square. Clear? Now our next question is also same. Find out the area of square. Area of square is equal to side ka square, that means 7 ka square, that means 49 cm ka square. Okay, now we are you are clear about the perimeter on and area of the rectangle and square if directly length and breadth is given. But if the word problem is given, how to recognize, then in this question you have to find out the area, either you have to find out the perimeter. Okay, if length and breadth two side is given, so definitely you have to go through the rectangle. If only single side is given, then go through the square. So first of all, just guess what is given here. Question is, if the cost of 1 square meter of plot of land is 900 rupee, the total find the total cost of a plot of a land who is 25 meter long and 20 meter broad. Two sides are given here. Okay, so you go through rectangle. Okay, now you have to just remember that you have to find out here area और perimeter. आपको इधर perimeter निकालना है या area निकालना है. तो आपको simple and short में, if in a question SQ term is given, meter square term per meter square term is given, so on that case simply you have to find out area. So SQ is given here, SQ meter, so you have to go through area. So area of rectangle, but here the land is given, so area of land is equal to L into B, that means 25 into 20, that is your 500 meter ka square. Why meter square is here? Because the length and breadth is given in meter. Okay, now what if the cost, question is given, if the cost of 1 meter of square of plot of land is 900, so right here, if cost of 1 SQ meter of plot of land is equal to 900 rupee, Then cost of plot is equal to 500 into 900, that is your 45,000. Is that clear? That is 45,000 rupee. Okay, our next question is, if we take 4 round a field that is 160 meter long, 90 meter wide, what is the distance? Okay, here length and breadth is given. Length is equal to आपका 90 meter and your breadth is equal to, length is 160 meter and breadth is your 90 meter. So first of all, two sides is given, SQ is not given. So that simply you have to find out the area, length, perimeter. So perimeter is equal to of field is equal to 2 bracket में L plus B, that's mean 2, 160 plus 90, that's mean 2, this is equal to 250 and total is your 500 meter का square. But here it take 4 round. If we take 4 round, then total distance is equal to 500 into 4, that is your 2000 meter. Clear? That is 2000 meter, either 2 kilometer. You have to convert in kilometers, so that is 2 kilometer. Our next question is, what is a perimeter of the diagram? You have to write down you have to find out the perimeter of the diagram. But as a diagram, so it is not a rectangle or not a square, only sides are given. So simply perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. That's mean 20 plus 16 plus 7 plus 14, and that is your 57 cm. Okay. Our next question is, a rectangular piece of plastic sheet is 65 cm long and 40 cm broad. Find the cost. See here, square cm is given. Square cm is given, that's mean you have to find out what area. Yes, length is 65 cm, breadth is over 40 cm. So you have to find out area. Area is equal to L into B, that is 65 into 40, that is your 2600 centimeter का square. So cost at rate 25 rupees 25 square cm is equal to 25 into 2600. This is equal to 65000. So this is your cost. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching.